So hello guys, this is what happened now after the holidays. We cook a lot in the oven with the what's that? The lechon, the roast pork, roast duck, and the oven is very dirty. Check that. That one. But I put already a baking soda with water and vinegar a little bit. I brushed there already, but I know it takes time. You do that like overnight or 1 hour after, then you brush with the what sponge, and then but it takes time, you know, with just baking soda only. So we're using a product, this one, this kind. I don't know what's that in English, but it's in French. So it's more easy.
It's Quebecois.
Parce que because we are here in Quebec. And here before it's very dirty, like the one here in this corner there or in that side. Very a lots of, like, you know, the oil thing. But here I put something like for the barbecue. Now we'll wipe. There's an auto clean, but we don't use it this time. It will be used during spring. So we need to clean, you know, when you bake again, or else guys, there's a lot of smoke. You know, like a while ago I put the pie, I reheat the pie, the blueberry pie, and the smoke are starting to go out. So it's not good. So now I decided to clean it. It's December 30. I think we don't bake anymore some duck or chicken or turkey or pork. Not until January 25. We'll do it again. Or let's see. But for the moment, no, I will bake only pie and cake. Roast, lechon. No, or I will use a pot. Yeah, we can roast again, but not the same way of cooking. Open like that and all the fats are spilling there. No, lots of cleaning. So not until, yeah, there's really occasion to eat that one. So it's time to clean. So that's only, guys, update. After a lot of cooking the lechon, after the following week, duck and lechon again, duck and pork lechon, my god. So now cleaning time before New Year, of course. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day. So guys, this is what we're using here to clean our oven. Okay. Yeah. First, in this side here, I like you will rest baking soda, water, and vinegar here on top, and then when my husband want to finish it very fast, so he used this one. But the corner there is not yet done, so I'll do it later. But here it's already done. And we only use these things plus water and vinegar.